Hello guys, hope you all are doing well. Today I am back with one of the most interesting video. Today in this video tutorial guys, I am going to show you how to add and how to remove your Microsoft account on your Windows 10. So for this guys, just follow my easy and simple method. So press Windows key button and here you want to search settings and open the Windows settings. In the Windows settings, find out accounts and open it. First we will learn how to add Microsoft account. If you want to add Microsoft account, you can get one option here, sign in with a Microsoft account instead. Just click on it. From here guys, you want to enter your Microsoft account email address or your phone number or your Skype ID. So if you don't have Microsoft account, so just you can get one option, create one. From there you can easily and quickly create your Microsoft account. I have already created my Microsoft account with my email address. Just I will enter my email address and password. After entering your email address and password, just click on sign in. After that you can get this type of interface. So if you have set any password on your Windows 10, just enter your Windows password. If you have not set any password, just leave it blank and click on next, and once again click on next. And now here guys, just you want to set up a pin for your Microsoft account to log in your Windows 10. So just set a pin and confirm same pin. After this guys, just click on OK. So as you can see guys, now your Microsoft account was successfully logged in on your Windows 10. So this is the way to add the Microsoft account on your Windows 10. Now let's see how to remove your Microsoft account from Windows 10. So for this guys, same, you want to open Windows settings and go to the accounts, and in the accounts, and here you can get one option, sign in with a local account instead. Just click on it. After this guys, you can get your Microsoft account username and just click on next. And here guys, you want to enter your Microsoft account password and then click on OK, and once again click on next. And here you can get options, sign out and finish. That's it, just click on it. So with this help of method guys, you can easily remove your Microsoft account from your Windows 10. So that's it for today guys. This is the short and very information video. Hope you like this video. If you like, please guys don't go back without subscribe our channel. Thank you very much.